Want to learn coding but don't know where to start? Confused between Python, Java, or C++? Or maybe you're curious about full-stack development, building websites, or even creating your own Android app without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'll guide you step by step from choosing your first programming language to launching your own projects. Whether you're a complete beginner or just exploring tech, this video is your roadmap to getting started in the world of coding. Let's dive in.
Yo, what's up everyone, it's Patel. Starting your coding journey can feel overwhelming with so many languages to choose from. Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, and more. In this video, we're breaking down the best programming languages to learn first based on what you want to build. Whether you're dreaming of creating the next viral app, diving into AI, or just automating tasks, picking the right first language can make all the difference. So if you're ready to unlock a world of possibilities with code, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. Alright, first up we've got Python. Python it's so readable, it almost feels like plain English. Python is all about keeping things simple and focusing on the logic. But don't let that simplicity fool you. Python is a beast when it comes to versatility. Web development, data science, AI, automation, you name it, Python can handle it. Instagram, Spotify, Google, they all rely heavily on Python. If you're looking for a language that's easy to pick up, powerful, and opens doors to various career paths, Python is the place to start. Next up, we've got JavaScript. If you're interested in web development, this one's a must-know. Think about all those interactive elements on websites, animations, drop-down menus, buttons. That's JavaScript in action. JavaScript runs directly in your web browser. No fancy software needed, just start typing and see the magic happen in real time. Plus, with frameworks like Node.js, JavaScript goes beyond just front-end development. You can build the entire back-end of web applications, making it super versatile. From small interactive elements to complex web apps, JavaScript can handle it all. If you're looking to jump into web development, JavaScript is your go-to. Chapter 3: Java, the Android Architect. Java is known for its stability, scalability, and use in building enterprise-level applications. But where Java really shines is in Android development. If you've ever dreamt of building your own Android app, Java is the language that can get you there. It's the backbone of the Android operating system, and countless apps on the Google Play Store are built using Java. With Android Studio, the official IDE for Android development, you get all the tools and support you need to bring your app ideas to life. If you're serious about Android development or want to dive into a language used in large software systems, Java is worth checking out. Chapter 4: C++, the performance powerhouse. C++ is a powerful beast of a language, incredibly fast, efficient, and gives you a ton of control over system hardware. But that power comes with a steeper learning curve. High-performance applications like video games, game engines, operating systems, even self-driving car software, they all rely heavily on C++. It's the language that powers the software we depend on every day, and its speed and efficiency are unmatched. If you're passionate about game development, want to work on resource-intensive applications, or love the challenge of learning a complex but rewarding language, C++ is worth exploring. Just be prepared to put in the time and effort. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Outro: your coding journey starts now. Choosing your first programming language can feel overwhelming, but the best language is the one that excites you the most. Once you learn one language, picking up others becomes way easier. If you're all about clean syntax and want to dive into web development, data science, or AI, Python is a great choice. For aspiring web developers, JavaScript is a must-know. And if building Android apps or game development is your dream, Java and C++ are where it's at. Let me know which language you're most excited to learn in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.
Yo, what's up everyone? It's Patel. We're diving into the world of code today. Python is easy, Java is everywhere, and C++ is crazy powerful. But which one should actually learn? In just 5 minutes, I'll break it down for you. Simple and clear. Whether you're dreaming of building apps, diving into data science, or even creating the next hit game, we've got you covered. Welcome to your channel name, where we make tech easy and exciting. If you're new here, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and coding videos. First up, we got Python. If you're just starting out or want fast results, Python is your best friend. Why Python? Well, first off, Python code looks almost like English. Fewer rules, less headache, you can just dive in and start coding. You can use Python for basically anything: web development, AI, data science, automation, even game development. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. The Python community is massive. Millions of developers use it, so you'll find tons of resources, libraries, and free help online. Plus, big players like Instagram, Netflix, and even Google use Python, so you know it's legit. The bottom line is, if you want to see results without getting bogged down in complex syntax, Python is the way to go. Next up, we've got Java. Java's been around for ages, and it's known for its reliability and scalability. Think of it like a sturdy pickup truck. It might not be the flashiest, but it can haul you throw at it. One of the biggest reasons people love Java is its write once, run anywhere philosophy. This means that once you write your code, it can run on pretty much any device without needing major changes. Java is the go-to language for enterprise-level applications. Banks, insurance companies, big corporations, they all rely on Java because it's stable, secure, and built for handling massive amounts of data. And let's not forget about Android app development. A huge chunk of Android apps are still built with Java. We're talking apps like LinkedIn, Uber, Spotify, they all use Java on the backend. All right, now it's time to talk about the beast C++. This language is all about raw power and control. If Python's a Swiss Army knife, C++ is like a finely crafted samurai sword. It takes more skill to master, but when you do, you can build some truly incredible things. We're talking about high-speed games, operating systems, 3D engines, the kind of software that pushes the limits of what's possible. Why is C++ so powerful? Because it gives you almost complete control over your computer's hardware and memory management. Now, let's be real. C++ is known for being tougher to learn than Python or Java. It's got a steeper learning curve, but trust me, the skills you gain are super valuable. So if you're up for a challenge and you want to build hardcore tech, C++ is your path. All right, we've covered a lot of ground, so let's do a quick recap. If you're all about that beginner-friendly experience, flexibility, and getting things done quickly, Python is your winner. It's like the friendly neighborhood superhero of programming languages. If you're thinking long-term, want career stability, and maybe have dreams of building Android apps or working for big tech companies, Java is a solid choice. It's the reliable, dependable workhorse that never goes out of style. And if you're ready to dive deep, embrace the challenge, and want to build the fastest, most powerful software imaginable, then C++ is your calling. But here's the thing. There's no wrong choice here. Ultimately, the best programming language for you depends on your goals, your interests, and what you want to create. So there you have it, guys. Python, Java, and C++, three amazing languages, each with its own strengths and specialties. The best part is, you don't have to choose just one. You can always start with one and then branch out later on. Now I want to hear from you. Which language are you most excited to learn? Are you Team Python, Team Java, or Team C++? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, make sure you subscribe to your channel name for more tech breakdowns, tutorials, and all things awesome. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching. Remember, the best way to learn is to just dive in and start coding. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them. So go out there, build something amazing, and show the world what you're capable of.
Kickstart your coding journey. A beginner's guide. Want to learn coding but don't know where to begin? You don't need to be a genius, you just need a roadmap. I'll show you exactly how to start coding even if you have zero experience. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Computer Minds, your guide to tech made simple. If you're excited to kickstart your coding journey, don't forget to subscribe. First things first, let's break down what coding actually is. In its simplest form, coding is giving a computer a set of instructions to do something. Think of it like a recipe, but instead of telling a chef what ingredients to mix, you're instructing a computer to create an app, build a website, or design a game. You've got your Python, JavaScript, C++, Java, and more, each with its own strengths. The important thing to remember is, it's all about breaking down what you want to achieve into steps a computer can understand. Ready to dive in? Alright, so you're ready to jump into the world of coding. The first thing you need to do is pick a programming language. For beginners, I recommend starting with Python. It's clean, readable, and versatile. Great for web development, data analysis, and AI. If you're into web design, JavaScript is your go-to for making websites interactive. For younger learners, Scratch is fantastic. It's like building with digital Lego blocks. Once you've picked your language, stick with it for a few months. Focus on one, get comfortable with the basics, and then explore others. Chapter 3. Setting up shop, your coding environment. Once you've got your language, it's time to set up your coding environment. A popular choice is a code editor like VS Code. It's free, powerful, and customizable. If you're not ready to download anything, online platforms like Replit and CodePen are great. These platforms give you a ready-to-go coding environment right in your browser. Choose tools you feel comfortable with, and just get started. Chapter 4. Don't just watch, do. The real learning happens when you start writing code. Watching tutorials is a good start, but you need to dive in and start building things. Follow beginner-friendly tutorials online. There are tons of free resources to help you build simple things like calculators, basic websites, or little games. Don't be afraid to break things and experiment. Embrace error messages. They give you valuable clues about what went wrong. Challenge yourself to build something small every day. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Chapter 5. Consistency is key. Build and grow. Consistency is the secret to becoming a coding pro. Try to code a little bit every day, even if it's just for 20 minutes. Consistency trumps intensity. Work on projects to stay consistent and keep things interesting. Start with small projects like building a personal website or a simple calculator app. As you gain more experience, tackle more complex projects. Every project you complete is a stepping stone to something bigger and better. It's like building a tower of Lego bricks. Each brick represents a new skill or concept. So, to start coding, pick one language, set up your environment, practice by building small projects, and stay consistent. Are you ready to start your coding journey? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more coding tips, and share this video with a friend who wants to learn too. See you in the next one. Imagine you walk into a fancy restaurant. You see beautiful decor, comfortable seating, and a well-designed menu. The waiter greets you with a smile and takes your order. This seamless and enjoyable experience is what we want when we visit a website. But have you ever stopped to think about what goes on behind the scenes to create this seamless experience? Just like a restaurant needs chefs to prepare delicious food and a well-managed kitchen to ensure everything runs smoothly, websites need a powerful backend to function correctly. And like the beautiful ambiance and friendly staff in a restaurant, websites need an appealing front end to attract and engage users. This is where full-stack development comes in. Full-stack developers are like the architects and builders of the web. They are involved in creating both the front end, the part you see, and the back end, the part you don't see, of a website. Think of building a house. You need someone to design the layout, choose the colors and furniture, front end, but you also need someone to lay the foundation, build the walls, and ensure the plumbing and electricity work, back end. Full-stack development is just like that. It's about creating the complete user experience for a website or web application. Full-stack developers have the skills to build both the front end and back end of a website, making them invaluable assets in the tech world. In simpler words, full-stack developers are the all-rounders of the web development world. They can take a website idea from conception to launch, handling everything from the visual design to the complex databases behind the scenes. Front-end development is all about what you see and interact with on a website. It's like the interior design of our restaurant, ensuring a pleasant and engaging experience for the diners. Front-end developers use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create the layout, design, and interactive elements of a website. Imagine ordering food from an online menu. The menu's design, the way you select your dishes, and the smooth animations when you add items to your cart are all thanks to front-end development. It's about making the website visually appealing, easy to navigate, and engaging for the user. Some common tasks of a front-end developer include designing and building website layouts, creating user interfaces and navigation menus, developing interactive elements like forms and buttons, and ensuring the website is responsive and works seamlessly on different devices. Section 4. Backend development, the engine under the hood. Backend development is the invisible force that powers a website, just like the bustling kitchen in our restaurant, which ensures that your order is prepared and delivered on time. The backend handles all the behind-the-scenes work that makes a website functional. Backend developers use languages like Python, Java, and PHP to build the server-side logic, interact with databases, and ensure the website's smooth operation. They are responsible for handling user authentication, processing data, and ensuring the website's security. Think about logging into your email account. The backend verifies your login credentials, retrieves your emails from the database, and displays them in your inbox. It's a complex process that happens behind the scenes, thanks to the magic of backend development. Section 5. Essential skills for full-stack mastery. Becoming a successful full-stack developer requires a diverse skill set, encompassing both front-end and back-end technologies. They need to be comfortable working with different programming languages, databases, and frameworks. Here are some essential skills for full-stack developers. Proficiency in front-end languages. HTML, CSS, JavaScript are crucial for building the user interface and interactive elements of a website. Mastery of back-end languages, Python, Java, PHP, or Ruby, are essential for handling server-side logic, databases, and security. Understanding of databases, knowledge of databases like MySQL, MongoDB, or PostgreSQL is crucial for storing and managing website data. Familiarity with version control systems, Git and GitHub are essential for collaboration and managing code changes. Problem-solving and analytical skills. Full-stack developers need to be adept at debugging code and finding solutions to technical challenges. Section 6. The rise of the full-stack developer. Full-stack developers are in high demand in today's tech industry. This is because they offer a unique blend of front-end and back-end skills, allowing them to handle end-to-end web development projects. Companies are always looking for versatile developers who can wear multiple hats and contribute to different stages of the development process. Full-stack developers are like the Swiss Army knives of the tech world, equipped to handle a wide range of tasks. The rise of startups and the increasing complexity of websites and web applications have further fueled the demand for full-stack developers. They are seen as valuable assets who can bring ideas to life and build innovative web solutions. Section 7. Ready to dive into the world of full-stack development? Full-stack development is a challenging yet rewarding career path for those passionate about technology and building amazing web experiences. It's a constantly evolving field with endless learning opportunities. Remember, building a website is like creating an experience, and full-stack developers are the architects of this experience. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey to become a tech all-rounder, full-stack development is an excellent path to choose. Start by exploring the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then, delve into the world of back-end development with languages like Python or Java. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful full-stack developer. No more excuses, your website awaits. Hey there, awesome entrepreneurs and dream chasers. Have you ever thought about creating your own website? It's easier than you think. Gone are the days of needing to be a coding whiz to build a beautiful online presence. In the past, building a website felt like climbing a mountain. You needed special skills and lots of time. Not anymore. Today, you can create a stunning website in just a few minutes. No coding needed. This is your sign to finally share your passion with the world. Are you ready? Let's do this. Website builders are your shortcut to online success. Imagine this. You're building your dream house, but instead of laying every brick yourself, you have a team of experts ready to help. That's what website builders like Wix, WordPress.com, and Google Sites do for you. They provide all the tools and templates you need to create a stunning website without breaking a sweat. For this adventure, we'll be using Wix. It's super user-friendly and has tons of beautiful templates to choose from. Plus, it's like having a design team in your back pocket. always ready to help you make your website shine. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, head over to Wix.com. You'll see a button that says Get Started. Click it. Next, Wix will ask you a few questions about your website. Don't worry, this is just to help them understand your vision. Now comes the fun part, choosing your template. Wix has hundreds of gorgeous templates for every type of website imaginable. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find one that speaks to your soul. Once you've found the perfect template, click Edit and get ready to unleash your inner creative genius. Section 4, Customization Station. Drag, drop, and design your dream site. Think of your Wix editor as your digital design studio. It's a blank canvas ready for your masterpiece. You can customize everything, colors, fonts, images with just a few clicks. Adding text and pictures is as easy as dragging and dropping them onto the page. It's like editing a PowerPoint slide, but way more fun. Remember to add essential pages like home, about, and contact. Wix makes it super simple. Just click Add Page and choose from their pre-designed templates. Don't worry about linking them. Wix takes care of navigation automatically. Brilliant, right? Now let's make sure your website looks amazing on all devices, desktops, laptops, tablets, and phones. Wix has a handy mobile view feature. Click on the little phone icon to see how your site looks on smaller screens and make any necessary adjustments. Section 5, Launch Day, sharing your masterpiece with the world. Before you hit that publish button, let's give your website a little SEO boost. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it helps people find your website on Google. Add a catchy title and description to each page using keywords that people might search for. For example, if you're a yoga instructor, use words like yoga, meditation, and mindfulness. Don't worry, Wix has built-in SEO tools to guide you through the process, and that's it. Click publish and watch your website come to life. You did it! You created a beautiful website without writing a single line of code. Now go out there and share your passion with the world. In this chapter, we'll explore some advanced customization options in Wix. You can add animations to your elements, create a blog, or even set up an online store. Wix offers a variety of apps and integrations to enhance your website's functionality. Let's dive into some of these features and see how they can make your website even more impressive. Imagine adding a subtle fade-in effect to your images, making your content more engaging and dynamic, or starting a blog to share your expertise and connect with your audience on a deeper level. And if you're thinking about selling products, setting up an online store is just a few clicks away. With Wix's e-commerce tools, you can manage inventory, process payments, and even offer discounts and promotions to your customers. Wix's app market is brimming with possibilities. From live chat support to social media integrations, you can tailor your website to fit your unique needs. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your website. The possibilities are endless, and your online presence is about to get a major upgrade. Now that your website is live, it's time to think about maintenance and updates. Regularly updating your content keeps your audience engaged and improves your SEO. Wix makes it easy to update your site with new blog posts, images, and more. Make a schedule for content updates. Consistency is key. Use Wix's dashboard to track your updates and plan ahead. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback. Optimize your images and content for SEO. Wix's SEO tools can help your site rank higher. Explore Wix's analytics to monitor your site's performance. Keep your website fresh, engaging, and optimized. Happy updating! Congratulations on creating your website. Remember, the key to a successful website is not just in its creation, but in its ongoing improvement. Keep experimenting with new features, listen to your audience's feedback, and continue to refine your site. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy website building! Hey everyone, Patel here. Want to make your own Android app? You don't need to be a coding whiz. It's easier than you think. We can make apps with cool tools, no coding needed. It's like building with Legos, but for apps. In the past, you needed to know complicated languages to tell computers what to do. Not anymore. Now we have visual tools. Imagine dragging and dropping colorful blocks to make your app come to life. That's what we'll learn today. This means anyone can make an app. Have a great idea for a game? Want to make life easier with a helpful tool? Let's get started. First, we need the right tool. Think of it like choosing the right Lego set for your creation. We have awesome options like Thunkable, Codular, MIT App Inventor, and AppSheet. Each tool has its own strengths. Thunkable is super beginner-friendly. Codular gives you more control. MIT App Inventor is great for learning the basics. AppSheet is perfect for apps that work with data, like spreadsheets. Don't worry, most of these are free to start. You can try them out and see which one clicks for you. For this guide, let's go with Thunkable. It's easy to use and has a friendly interface. Now the fun begins. We get to design how our app looks. Thunkable makes this easy. Imagine a grid where you can drag and drop things like buttons, text boxes, images, and more. Want a button that says play? Just drag it in. Need a place to show a score? Drag in a text box. It's like designing a room but for your phone. You can change colors, fonts, sizes, and more. Make your app look exactly how you want. Remember, a good-looking app is more fun to use. Section 4. Making it work. Logic is fun. Okay, our app looks cool, but it doesn't do anything yet. Time to add the brains. Don't worry, no complex code here. We'll use blocks. Thunkable has these cool blocks that represent actions. Want that play button to start a game? Connect it to a start game block. Want to show a score? Connect it to a block that says show score. It's like connecting puzzle pieces to tell your app what to do. This is what makes your app interactive and fun. Section 5, testing time. Is your app ready? We built our app. Now, let's see if it works. Thunkable lets you test your app on your computer or even your phone. This is like a test drive before we launch it into the world. Click the play button and see your app come to life. Does everything work as it should? Is the design looking good? If not, no worries. We can go back and make changes anytime. Testing is super important. It makes sure your app is polished and ready for others to enjoy. Section 6, to the Play Store. Our app is tested and awesome. Last step, getting it on the Play Store so everyone can download it. This part does involve a few extra steps. First, you need to create a Google Play developer account. This costs a small one-time fee, but then you can upload as many apps as you want. Then you package your app using Thunkable's instructions and upload it to the Play Store. Google will review your app to make sure it's safe and follows their guidelines. Once approved, your app will be live for the world to see. Congrats, you're an app developer. See, you didn't need to be a coding genius. With awesome tools and a bit of creativity, anyone can build incredible things. Go make that app you've always dreamed of.